Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this on your PC step by step. So stick around and watch the entire video so that you can learn how to do this. Now, you need to open up the Microsoft Store. So click the Windows key on your keyboard or your taskbar and open up the Microsoft Store, guys. And you want to go ahead and search for Lively Wallpaper, right? So once you start to type Lively, you'll find the Lively Wallpaper. Open that, guys, and you want to choose Get to install it. In my case, it is already showing me open because I've installed it already, but you want to go ahead and do this, right? You can also search for Lively Wallpaper on Google and you can install the Windows version. But once it is done install, it will open, or you can search for it on your PC by typing Lively and you will open up the Lively Wallpaper application. Now, once you have this, you will need the video, and I'm going to provide you the video within the description of this video that you can easily download this video of Sabrina Carpenter absolutely free. So once you do, go ahead and click this plus right here in the upper right hand side of the Lively Wallpaper application, choose file, and from here you want to click on the video right here and click and open. Once you do that, guys, it's going to load in this live video for you, and you want to go ahead and click and OK. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and load the video and set it as a live wallpaper on your Windows PC so that you can actually use it. And wait a moment, you're going to see that it's going to quickly add it for me, and you will see that it's selected. It changed on my PC right there. Have a look at that. Sit back, watch, relax, and give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below what do you think. Very easy and very simple, guys.